A big mistake gave my credit score a boost, now what? At 44, I've unexpectedly benefited from a mistake that occurred 10 years ago. Someone opened a mortgage in my name without my knowledge. For a decade, they've made every payment on time, boosting my credit score in the process. Now, I'm left feeling guilty and unsure of what to do. While it's tempting to appreciate the improved credit, this situation raises serious ethical and legal concerns. The mortgage was opened without my consent, which constitutes fraud. Even though I've unknowingly reaped the rewards, continuing to benefit from it isn't right. I should report this to the credit bureaus and mortgage lender to correct the records. It's also crucial to take protective measures to prevent future identity theft, like placing fraud alerts or freezing my credit. This situation also calls for a deeper reflection. While my credit score has improved, it was built on a false foundation. If I don't address it now, it could lead to bigger problems down the road. Though it may seem like a harmless mistake, correcting it is the right thing to do. It's better to build my credit the honest way, with integrity. Plus, fixing this now will give me peace of mind moving forward.